Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen Passat here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. So from here, we're going to scroll across until you get to settings, and then you want to come down go to tyre pressure. OK. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press OK on store. Do all 4 tyre pressures match the required values, confirm, tyres pressure stored, and that's it.